My journey didn't start with a single dramatic moment, like an epiphany under a spotlight. It wasn't a sudden bolt of inspiration or a life-altering event that set me on this path. It was a much slower, more subtle process, a gradual realization that unfolded over the course of 20 years. 2 decades of living, learning, and slowly becoming aware of a need for change. It began with a simple observation. I saw a photo from my university days, a younger version of myself, brimming with energy and vitality. And then, in stark contrast, I caught my tired reflection in the mirror. The difference was jarring, a wake-up call that I couldn't ignore. The weight I carried wasn't just physical, the extra pounds that had accumulated over the years. It was a deeper burden, an emotional weight that had settled in my spirit, affecting my mood and my overall sense of well-being. This wasn't about vanity, about chasing some unrealistic ideal of beauty or conforming to societal pressures. It was about the simple things, like being breathless after climbing a single flight of stairs, a clear sign that my physical health was declining. It was about dreading doctor visits, knowing that the news wouldn't be good, and fearing the long-term consequences of my lifestyle. Desperate for a solution, I tried every diet imaginable. Low-fat, meticulously counting every gram of fat, low-carb, eliminating entire food groups from my plate, fasting, enduring periods of intense hunger and deprivation, and even juicing, consuming nothing but blended fruits and vegetables for days on end. But nothing stuck in the long run. The weight always returned, often with a vengeance, and so did the feelings of disappointment and frustration. Over time, through all the ups and downs, I noticed a pattern. The simplest approaches, the ones that didn't require extreme measures or drastic changes, consistently worked best. I stopped chasing fads and quick fixes, and instead focused on the basic fundamentals of healthy living. Sustainable weight loss isn't about punishment or deprivation. It's about building small, consistent habits that you can maintain for the long haul. After years of trial and error, of making mistakes and learning from them, I finally discovered 4 core principles that truly matter, the cornerstones of a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. No expensive gym equipment required, no exotic or hard-to-find foods. Just a commitment to understanding and applying a few powerful truths about your body and your health. This simple plan, based on these core principles, finally changed everything for me, leading to a transformation I never thought possible. And because I've seen the incredible results firsthand, I truly believe it can do the same for you, regardless of your past struggles or current circumstances. So, let's start with the very first step, the foundation upon which everything else is built. Here's what I learned on my journey and how you can apply it to yours. The first step is simple: drink more water. Our bodies need water for every function, including metabolism. Often, thirst is mistaken for hunger. Drink a glass before meals and sip throughout the day to naturally reduce appetite. Replace sugary drinks with water to cut empty calories. Keep a water bottle handy and set small hydration goals. This one habit boosts energy, curbs overeating, and lays a foundation for change. Make water your main beverage. It's the easiest, most essential step to better health. The second pillar, calorie awareness. Track what you eat, not to obsess, but to understand. Hidden calories in healthy foods add up fast. Use free apps to log meals and see your real intake. Create a modest calorie deficit, just enough to encourage fat loss. Log everything, even small snacks. This isn't about guilt, but about data and informed choices. After a few weeks, you'll develop intuition for portions and calories. Tracking is a temporary tool that builds lasting habits. Awareness replaces guesswork and empowers real change. The third pillar of our wellness journey focuses on movement, specifically moving your body right at home. It's about creating a sustainable and accessible fitness routine within the comfort of your own space. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment to achieve your fitness goals. Your body is your gym. It's an incredibly versatile tool that's always available to you. Do squats, lunges, push-ups, or planks, just 10 minutes a day. That's all it takes to start building a healthier, more active lifestyle. Start small and make it easy to stick with. Consistency is key, and even the smallest effort can lead to significant results over time. Add movement to daily routines. Pace during calls, stretch during TV. These exercise snacks add up and keep your metabolism active, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Exercise isn't punishment. It's a celebration of what your body can do. It's about appreciating your physical capabilities and nurturing your well-being. No barriers, no excuses. Just you and your commitment. It's a personal journey, and you are in control. Begin today and watch your strength and confidence grow. Embrace the process and enjoy the incredible benefits of moving your body at home. Let's delve into the final pillar that supports our well-being: quality sleep. It's often underestimated, but it's a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Sleep is absolutely essential. It's not a luxury, it's a biological necessity. It's crucial for effective weight loss and overall health. Prioritizing sleep can have a profound impact on your physical and mental state. Lack of sleep significantly disrupts hunger hormones, throwing your body's natural regulation out of balance. This hormonal imbalance often leads to increased cravings, especially for unhealthy high-calorie foods. To improve your sleep, set a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural clock. And create a relaxing bedtime routine to wind down before sleep. This could include reading, taking a warm bath, or gentle stretching. It's also important to avoid screens before bed, as the blue light emitted from devices can interfere with sleep. Finally, keep your room cool and dark to create an optimal sleep environment. These 4 pillars, water, calorie awareness, movement, and sleep, work together synergistically to support your overall well-being. They're not a restrictive diet, but a sustainable blueprint for lifelong health and vitality. Remember, consistency, not extreme measures, is the key to long-term success. Keep learning about your body and health, and stay curious about new ways to improve your well-being. Don't feel overwhelmed. Just take the first small step towards a healthier you today. You absolutely deserve health and happiness on your journey, and these pillars can help you achieve it. Please subscribe for more, and for free help, check the description area.